Hello, hello, hello! My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I do quick makeup tutorials and I also do size 16 fashion videos. If you guys are new, welcome. If you're back for more Chantsy videos, thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see during the video, why not hit that subscribe button? I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year and it would just mean so much to me that you would support my journey here. In this video I wanted to do a full face using E.L.F makeup. So I was in New York City last August, and that's almost a year ago now, and I went to the Blog Her conference, and I went by myself, so I did a lot of like just walking around by myself, and I discovered an E.L.F store, and I was like, you know, I've kind of heard of E.L.F makeup, you know, we see it at Old Navy, and I was like, what is this? Anyway, so I went in. The girls were so lovely, and actually I feel bad that I haven't filmed this video a lot sooner. But it's been on my like to film list forever, so finally here it is. The girls were so lovely and they just like walked me through their store and all the products, and these guys have a lot of products, and not just that, everything is really good quality and extremely affordable. So they don't do a lot of advertising and that kind of thing, so they can keep that budget for research and development or just making products. So one thing you'll notice with E.L.F is that they don't have a huge shade range, and what the girls were telling me is that that's kind of like their testing, so they'll test out a few shades, and if the product really works then they'll invest in creating more shades, and I think we see a lot of that in products. Sadly, it seems to always be like the lighter shades that are available, and the darker shades are kind of neglected. I really feel for darker skinned women who probably struggle to find their shade in different brands that are out there, but I feel like it's coming, so hopefully it is. So the first thing that I discovered is that E.L.F stands for eyes, lips, and face. Duh. So when I visited the shop, my goal was to be able to do a full face. So I bought like the least amount of makeup possible, which I bought a whole bunch. And I think I spent like under $100, and I'll just show you what I bought. So the first thing, I bought the Moisture Lock Primer. This is a lip primer that, you know, gotta love the lip primer. This is not like a necessity, but it is for someone like me who wears a lot of dark lip colors. This is a liquid lip remover, which I've been using tons of. So you know when your lips are like really dry with a liquid lip, this thing just like melts it all off, and it's so easy to remove. I love this thing. This was a little lip pencil. This is a smudge-proof mascara with a smaller wand for the lower lash line and a larger wand for the top lash line. These are no budge eyeshadow sticks. I got like a light color and like a copper. I bought the BB cream. I bought an eyeshadow palette. This is Sunset. I think the eyeshadow palette was a dupe for, I can't remember which one it is, but I was told that this Sunset eyeshadow palette is a dupe. Then I got a shimmer highlighting powder, and then a bronzer. These I don't think exist anymore, but it's like a shimmering shadow. Absolutely love this thing. All right, let's get started. I don't mind it, but there is a fragrance in here, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, this might not be for you. So yesterday I was at Old Navy, and so they have a lot of the E.L.F products like right in the aisle as soon as you pay. And I bought the small stippling brush because Alana Rama uses it all the time, and she just raves. She raves about this brush. She also has the bigger one, but I guess they're harder to find. Anyway, so I just picked this up because I'm greedy and easily influenced. This has 20 SPF, although I purchased it in the States, and in Canada, you can't like use those claims on makeup products without a DIN number, so it wouldn't qualify. So you probably would have a hard time finding that product in Canada. Or they have to like cover the label. I feel silly. I shouldn't have used this on the BB cream. I'm going to use it dry with the bronzer. Oh well. Next I'm going to take the bronzer. Oh, this is a really good color. It has like warm properties, but it's not orange. I regret not getting like a glow product because I use it so much, and I don't know if it's because as I'm aging my skin is getting drier and I just like I'm craving that dewy look. That would have been a good investment, although I think I did see some at Old Navy yesterday, so maybe I'll pick it up depending on how this video does. The bronzer is called Perpetually Tan, basically my summer goals. Okay, next I'll use the blush. Always Rosy is the name of this blush. Okay, so I'm taking that tiny stipple brush and this year it's all about blush on the cheeks, so I'm gonna go heavy. This blush is making a lot of mess here, lots of fallout. Then I'll take my highlighter. My nails are really short right now and I'm just struggling to open these little compacts, so just something to note. So this does a really nice, more natural highlighter, like it's on the gold side, a little bit more conservative, although it looks really great on camera. They had a lot of highlighting products and a lot of bronzer products. This one is called Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Sunset Glow. I recall getting a brow gel, but I'm not sure where it's at this point. What kind of eyeshadow are we doing? Yeah, see, it's like my nails are so short, like really short, and I'm just, there we go. Okay, it's because I'm trying to use all the different products, so I'm going to do something neutral using a lot of different things. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this eyeshadow stick all over the lid. And actually, you could even just wear this guy on its own. It's so pretty. It's very easy to wear. And when you rub it out, it doesn't just come right off. Like some products I find when you do this like blending work, it basically wipes off. This one doesn't. Alright, I'll just grab one of these light colors and put it in the crease. There is a little bit of fallout in the product. And I feel like some of the colors are creamier than others. So this one's a matte and it's a little bit more dusty. But I mean, for the price, it's incredible. I'm using the kind of brown coppery color just for my lower lash line. So what I'm finding with that eyeshadow stick is that as I'm adding color, we're kind of losing the effect of the shine. So I'll just try a different technique using the creamy eyeshadow and see if I can kind of brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to take this really pale champagne color, put that in the center. I'm going to grab this creamy eyeshadow and just dab the top to bring it get it to be a little bit more shiny and have a bit more dimension. Oh yeah, that looks good. That adds a lot of depth. I like that. And maybe because my lids are kind of wet, that will hold a little bit better. Okay, now I'm going to use this dual mascara. I have to remember that the wands are in the center. I always get confused. So this will be for the top. To be honest, it's not my favorite mascara, but again, for the price, it's pretty good. And now I'm going to use a teeny tiny wand. I find this really hard to use, actually. But I like how the small wand gives like a liner effect instead of like a spider effect for, like, it doesn't necessarily coat all your lashes, but it helps you get right in like your waterline. I kind of like that. I might play around with this a little bit more. Yeah, so instead of like brushing out all your lashes, it's almost like it helps you do a nice liner effect on the bottom lash. Pretty. Okay, eyes are done. The last thing is lips. So I'll try my primer. That's interesting because it's like a little lip gloss instead of the sticks. So I like that application. And this is a fuchsia lip pencil. It's a great color. So this lip pencil is actually very creamy, so I'm going to take a fine brush here and just define the line of my lip. Alright guys, there you have it. There is my full face using E.L.F. Cosmetics. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this look or if it's a look that you would wear this summer. If you can, let me know what products you're currently using from E.L.F. or if there's any products that I use today that you'd be curious to use for yourself. And of course, before you make any purchases, please just leave me a comment or message me and I'll let you know if it's actually worth purchasing. If you guys like quick, easy makeup looks, I do this thing called Good Makeup Morning on Instagram stories. Every day I do my makeup look and I share it with you guys and I tell you what inspired my look that day, whether it's new products that I received through PR or just some products that I'm rediscovering in my kit. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also again, don't forget to leave your comments, and of course please subscribe to my channel. As you know, I'm trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would just greatly appreciate your support. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!